2 questions. 1, are you poor AF but still like to drink good beer? 2, are you super rich but got that way because you're a cheap bastard? In either case, you're going to want to watch this video on the cost of beer, homebrew versus craft. All right, we've got a video here that nobody asked for, but I'm gonna make it anyway because I'm curious. In North Carolina, which is where we are, we pay anywhere from $10 to $12 per 6-pack. For say like a juicy IPA, we'll pay anywhere from $12 to $14. Sometimes we'll see specialty 4-packs for sale for like $15. So that's $18 to $20 or more for a 6-pack of specialty beer. In contrast, here's what it cost us to brew a random selection of the 20 different beers we made in 2018. Black IPA, $3.69 per 6-pack. American Light Lager, $2.06 per 6-pack. Juicy New England IPA, $7.86 per 6-pack. Dry Stout, $3.29 per 6-pack. And Pale Ale, $3.37 per 6-pack. That's what it cost us to brew 5 of the 20 beers that we brewed last year. It's quite a savings compared to what you generally would pay at the supermarket. It would cost 3 times that, roughly, to buy the same beer at the store. Now, that is a comparison of craft beer. Commercial beer costs about $5 per 6-pack. We're talking Coors Lite, Bud Lite, Miller Lite. Still quite a savings, though, when you compare our American Light Lager, which costs us $2.06 per 6-pack to make that. So again, less than half the price of commercial beers such as a Bud Light or a Miller Lite. This really starts to add up when you look at your expenses over time. It costs us about $4.05 per 6-pack to brew all that beer. That works out to about $688 that we spent on raw materials over the course of the year. Now, that doesn't take into consideration the cost of the equipment, of course, but what it does consider is everything else. So we're talking the malt, the hops, and the yeast. If we were to have gone to liquor stores, bottle shops, etc., and bought that beer, we would have paid a minimum of $1,800. $1,100 is what we saved on the beer that we brewed versus the beer that we would have bought. I didn't really make this video with the idea that it would be a pitch for our brewing equipment. I was genuinely just curious what it costs us to brew the beer that we brewed last year and what the economics of brewing your own beer are. But our 120 volt brew system is about $900, I think, maybe even less. That actually paid for itself essentially in just 1 year of brewing beer. All right, well, that's that. Thanks for watching this video. Keep asking for videos in the comments. We're making a few videos here in the next couple weeks that people actually have been asking for. And the video that we just rolled out here recently, Black IPA, check that out. That was one that was highly requested. Ross came back for that video, which was also highly requested by folks. So keep commenting on these videos and letting us know what you want to see, and thanks for watching. Cheers.